How to fix Windows Update error 0x80244019. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Notepad. Sometimes, restarting the Windows Update services can resolve update issues by refreshing the service's state. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if all else fails, using the media creation tool to update Windows manually can bypass the error.